hey, my favorite CEOs and profit-chasing hamster traders. Most of us have heard of ETFs, but do we really get how they work under the hood? Today, your fluffy host queued up a video where an industry pro breaks it down step by step in plain, no-nonsense terms. No hype, just clear insights that might help you piece together the basics and see where ETFs could fit into your strategy. So get comfy, grab a notebook, and let's dive in.
An ETF is a basket, okay? Imagine this cup. It's a basket. Well, right now it's a cup of coffee, but it's a basket of stuff. It's a basket. That's all an ETF is, okay? This basket has a value. Let's say I put a $100 stock in it called this Sharpie pen. And then I put a $50 stock in it called this Sharpie pen. The value of the basket is what? $150. Because it's got a $100 stock and a $50 stock in it. How often does the market tell you the value of this cup? For an ETF, once a day. Once a day. That's it. An ETF adjusts to what's called net asset value just once a day. But wait a minute, Kevin. What happens if during the day, this $150 basket, let's assume the components are still worth $150. The stocks are moving. Say it's like Nvidia and Apple, let's just say, okay? But somebody comes in and buys the ETF like hardcore, and the value of the ETF goes up to 154. Well, Citadel's gonna go, that cup is trading for $154, but the components are only worth $150. So if they market make in this ETF, they sell. They sell it, they break it, and they capture the $4 profit. The same happens in reverse. The bucket's selling for $145. They're like, well, the components are worth $150. Sell the ETF, break the bucket, take the components out, and you have $150 that you bought for $145. They can do that all day long because the value of an ETF only resets to NAV or net asset value once a day.
Wow, that was probably one of the clearest ETF explanations I've ever heard. The world of trading keeps evolving. New technologies, new methods, and that includes the stock market. In such a fast-changing environment, even a small shift in the rules can flip the whole game upside down. Just remember, friends, trade carefully and always seek expert advice before making big moves. Now I'm curious, do you have any experience with ETF trading or other markets? Share your thoughts and stories in the comments. Catch you in the next episode. And remember, hamsters are power. One for all and all for one.